Welcome to Ames Research Laboratory's Roof Video Series. We developed this series as a guide to help you maintain your building's asset management plan for the long term. Today, we'll talk about cleaning and beginning BlueMax application. As we pre-clean the roof surfaces, you will notice that we are using a wheeled trolley assembly which controls debris. You will also see we have set up two separate pressure washers. The second pressure washer has a handheld spray wand that can be used both for large surface areas and also cleaning in close spaces and along roof edges. For this project, we have selected a Graco 833 roof spray rig capable of applying the roof coatings selected for the project. There are many sprayers capable of spraying our roof coatings. Additionally, we are happy to review the customer's existing sprayers to determine if they are rated to spray our material. To save on manpower costs, we will use materials in a large tote container holding 250 gallons of material. This saves labor time versus handling a large quantity of smaller containers. Now that the roof is clean, we proceed with application of a stripe coat of BlueMax along the seams of the existing roofing. This is done to pre-seal seam edges before applying a first full coat of BlueMax. As we proceed with the first full bond coat of BlueMax, we pay attention to details such as roof flashings around vents. This first coat of BlueMax material will provide excellent adhesion to the existing roof surface, providing a bond coat for the subsequent coats of material we will be applying. By spraying a consistent grid pattern across the roof and using an overlapping spray pattern, uniformity of the coatings film is controlled. To assure proper thickness, a technician is checking the millage of the material being applied. The gauge used is provided free of charge by Ames Research Laboratories. Selecting a pump to fit the size of the project enables the coating technician to quickly and efficiently apply a large volume of material in the proper thickness to the roof surface. Material can be applied as fast as a man can walk. The coating technician here also has a hose handling assistant keeping the excess spray hose away from the spray technician, enabling smooth movement across the roof surface without tripping or slipping. One of the crew takes time to monitor the level of the BlueMax in the tote to ensure the pump does not run out of material during the course of the day. The bond coat of BlueMax will need to dry overnight before the next step in the installation process is begun. As always, Ames Research Laboratories is here to discuss options that are best for your specific roof issues and your bottom line. We recognize that roof solutions are not always a full roof tear-off and replacement, but when the underlying damage is excessive, we will recommend what is best for you.